Hello, all the YouTubers, especially the person that does all the YouTubes and stuff. For our weather, what we got here now, it's like a Dawson Creek blizzard. It's like the city just sometimes doesn't take care of the roads, like the roads right here and stuff. It's like what the hell? I think the city needs to watch this video. Sometimes there goes a bus just went by. That one right over there. Yeah, the roads are just like sheets there. They should be working on that. But look how deep that snow is over there. It's that person there. So, if you guys want to know more like the way we have this weather, it's like crazy. And what else is the things you want to know about this? You want the city to go out there and clean up the mess what they got, right? Hang on guys, maybe she can tell you from there too, and she can say it. To all the YouTubers. Maybe the city is probably watching the YouTube. Do you think the city is watching the YouTubes? Do you think? Do you think they are watching the YouTubes? I'm actually just on my own YouTube right now. Until I make it. After I make this first video. Look how that car is right there, guys. That car is like trying to get through that mess, but the one we had earlier just over here, like in that corner right here, we had a person rolling up. The bus had to stop like right here in the spot right there. There goes the truck. Just went that way. And there's the arena where I go. That's the arena I go there for my skating and stuff. So the YouTube I'm making is going to be called Dawson Creek Blizzard, things like that. And the city should be cleaning up this mess. They better get their butts out there and do something. This is Ryder from Dawson Creek, BC. And the other person is in the other room, is Edith. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace out, all the YouTubers.